school. This is an era of knowledge explosion. 15 years back, a visionary, Mr. Fani Prasad Muktevi, wished to groom primary school kids for various competitive exams. After an extensive research in the school system, he started a creative lab called Leapfrog for after-school activities, first of its kind in Andhra Pradesh, a state in South India. Leapfrog aimed at training kids in competitive exams like Olympiads, English Marathon, IOEL, ICO, ESSET, etc. to redefine the school system for bringing out the individual child's actual potential by setting high academic standards with true life skills. Mr. Fani Prasad Muktevi craved to start the school of tomorrow. Thus evolved Little Brains, oka manchi vidyalayam, situated on the banks of Krishna River in the holy city of Vijayawada.
Little Brains ఒక మంచి విద్యాలయం, a unique school in Vijayawada. First time with the micro teaching process in Andhra Pradesh. We are just taking only 10 kids in kindergarten with 2 teachers, and we are providing best quality education for the future generation. We are taking only 15 seats in each class with 2 subject teachers in each subject, and we are providing a best quality education in Vijayawada.
This school is grounded on global best practices. Its principles are individual focus and compete with self, that is, giving attention to individual student and self-perfection, bringing out the best in oneself. It has good infrastructure. There are well-furnished AC classrooms which are cleaned frequently. The school aspires to have 15 students per class with 2 subject experts each.
I'm Samit from class 5. Our school imbibes the culture to experience various festivals by celebrating them all, and respect for the communities develop a harmonious living.
This is Kushal from class 6. I would like to share something about my teachers. Continuous motivation from my teachers made me to grow academically. I am really speechless of their efforts. I am always thankful to them. Thank you.
His thoughts are innovative. His implementation is perfect. His dedication is a no match. His care is abundant. He is Mr. Fani Prasad Muktevi, a great child psychologist, an expert in school administration.
With micro teaching process, we are providing best quality education to children, and we are working on child actual potential.
Teachers. The school ensures that the mentoring staff is dedicated, talented, and passionate. The role of mentors extend much beyond classroom teaching. They strive to develop a child's individual talent, creativity, and communication skills, which are essential for his success in his future.
Hi, I'm Priya, a biology teacher. Here in this school, we are provided with a number of facilities and opportunities which can help a teacher to make a new concepts that provides a student to learn and grow well.
Hi all, myself Lasya of class 5. I love my school. I never want to skip my school. We have all experienced teachers who give us extra knowledge and make us explore many things. I feel my school like my house.
Learning methodology. A high-quality standard education is imparted to students in the school. Different world-class teaching methods are integrated, and modern technology is used to create an effective teaching strategy suitable for the young minds. The school curriculum emphasizes on activity-based learning, that is, learning by doing.
Hi, this is Abhi from class 2. What makes this school different is every child is unique and important. Our teachers are our mentors and help us to achieve everything. Thank you.
Hi, this is Saisha of class 4. I feel very proud to be in this school. My school helps me to develop in holistic way. My teachers explain the concepts very lively. We all live like a family. We have smart boards, playgrounds, field trips, and more that makes us to develop our individuality. Thank you.
Co-curricular activities. Little Brains has a broad curriculum that includes a wide range of extracurricular activities besides academics. Physical and mental development is intended to happen in tandem through indoor and outdoor activities like dance, chess, free play, yoga, art and craft, dramatics, etc.
I'm Jasmita from class 7. I'm blessed to be a student of the school. I love the atmosphere as it is so fabulous. My teachers here are so awesome and they are always friendly with us. Wonderful thing here is that every subject is handled by 2 teachers. Our curriculum is so good that we can compete with the whole world.
The school sets new standards all the time. MediKids and Jago Genius are 2 such programs which concentrate on NEET, AIIMS and IIT civil service exam orientation for high school students. The school gives emphasis on individual focus, communicative English, concept development, Wi-Fi enabled digital classrooms, touchscreen digital boards and many more.
Hi, this is N. Usha, working as physical science teacher in Little Brains. As I deal with physical science, children are showing a lot of interest and enthusiasm in learning the subject. They really dive into the subject and they keep asking very interesting questions, which is giving more satisfaction that I am working in this institution.
Admissions are in progress. Nursery to 10th standard. Little Brains, ఒక మంచి విద్యాలయం. సిద్ధార్థ నగర్ 6th lane, పిన్నమనేని Polyclinic Road, విజయవాడ. Contact 0866 249 1525. Cell 9515 111 525 7075 495975. Little Brains, ఒక మంచి విద్యాలయం.